Hey everyone, this is Anavi. I'm Veera Health's internationally certified fitness instructor. As we know, exercise forms a major component of managing PCOS. Working out consistently helps reduce insulin resistance, cortisol levels, and androgens. Our short yet effective workouts are based on 3 formats. The first being strength training to build and tone muscles, which reduces insulin resistance and androgens, which in turn reduces body fat due to metabolic demand. The second being high intensity interval training, which is an alternating movement pattern of high intensity exercises followed by low intensity exercises, which really helps to reduce body fat. The last one being stress reducing workouts, which basically helps activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which brings our body down to homeostasis, a level of balance, which reduces cortisol levels. All you're going to need for the workouts is a yoga mat, a water bottle, your energy, your motivation, and your positivity. So let's get straight to it. Let's get into our first workout, but before that, let's begin with a warm-up. So for your warm-up, you're going to stand with your feet hip distance apart, and all you're going to do is bend side to side, trying to take your hands as low as you can take them. Try to reach at least for your knee, if not lower. We're going to go for a few more reps here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Maintaining the same bending format, take your hand over and stretch to the other side, feeling a nice stretch across the side of your body. For 3, 2, and 1. From there, take your legs slightly further apart, hands on your waist, and we're going to open up our hips with some nice big hip circles. Go very slow, very controlled, pushing to each side at your max. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go reverse in the other direction. Three, 2, and 1. From there, take your legs wider apart, as wide as you can take them in a comfortable stance. Take your hands down to the floor. Try to touch your fingers to the floor if you cannot touch your palm. And from here, you're going to inhale. And as you exhale, you will twist to one side, taking your hand up to the ceiling and looking up. And change. Other side. Keep it dynamic. Once you get the movement, you can move a little faster. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Our mid back is nice and opened up. Stand up. Come to one end of your mat, and we're going to get into the mountain position. So you're going to put your hands on the floor, feet back, and drive your hip up as much as you can, trying to touch your heels to the mat, lengthening your hamstrings, your calves, feeling a nice stretch across the entire posterior chain of your body. Push your head inside, and as you exhale, we're going to transition into a cobra. So take your body weight ahead and drop forward, looking up. You can drop your knees down if you like, else you can keep them up. And inhale, push back into a mountain. Push your head inside, feel your shoulders working, and exhale into a cobra. Inhale, mountain, articulating your entire spine, especially your lower back. And last one, exhale into a cobra, and stay here for 10 counts. If you want, take your knees off or keep them down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, sit back in child's pose. Stretch your arms ahead. Keep breathing and just mentally prepare for what's coming up next. Slowly stand up and let's get straight into our workout after our really nice warm-up.